Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another vlog. It's currently Monday evening. So Monday morning, I spend all morning in my office being entertained by the noises next door of them building the house. I must say they are a lot more professional than the previous house building on the other side of us. And yeah, it was just, they see that they've got the slab down and now they're just laying everything out and working out where to go. So it won't be very long until there is a house that starts coming up. And then most of Monday I spend in my office actually editing a whole lot of videos. I've got some homemaking videos coming up and some other bits and pieces. And also I had to learn a couple of new Zumba routines, which I can learn pretty quickly because this is a new term. And so we had to make sure we have some new music because we want to energize everyone and get everyone up and moving. And of course, being Monday morning, this is the first term that I don't have a Zumba class first thing because it was cut from the program last term. And I decided not to replace it with anything. I just need a little bit of downtime, I think, to do my own thing because there are 1,000,001 things I want to do around the house. Oh, I'm getting my son his breakfast at the moment. It helps to make sure that he does eat. And yeah, there's just so many little things that I want to do around the house. And of course, wanting to film everything, it takes ages, kind of moving the camera around and setting things up and then editing things. And you know, then I want to rearrange a cupboard and then that takes time and I get super hyper fixated on doing things. So I need the time. I also kind of need the motivation and I need to sort of know that I have that ready to go, because if I'm doing something and I don't want to do it, then I just end up having to redo it later. So I know it sounds a little bit like double dutch to some people, but you really have to have sort of a plan and a method in place and figure out what's going on. So right now you're seeing Tuesday morning, which is traditionally I am just home chilling, doing any admin things I have to do. I was trying to get a homemaking video up and edited but didn't edit in time, so you will see that tomorrow. It will be nearly an hour long. It does include some previous footage, but because the vlogs here lately have been a little bit short, I'm putting up a couple of longer cleaning videos so people can clean along with me, because I'm told that body doubling is really helping a lot of people. So I want to do things that bring joy and helpfulness to other people. Let me know what you like to eat on your toast for breakfast. We are Vegemite family. We're Aussies, gotta have Vegemite, and today I'm literally scraping the bottom of the jar. This is the last bit that I can get out. I do end up though sticking a spatula in it later to get a little bit more out. We definitely do a few frugal things today with using the last of everything. So just a quick clean in the kitchen before I head out to Zumba. I've really been trying to keep on top of the kitchen, especially as we've been doing dinnerly, and I really need the space clean and organized to be able to film effectively. I was trying to do this whole film a week in my kitchen with cleaning up, but I missed a couple of days and then that was the end of that. It's the first Tuesday back since school holidays. I actually took the Tuesdays off, and everyone was so relieved to see me back, and I'll tell you more about that later. And then on the way home I went to Foodland because I saw they had a special on lamb legs. I thought, oh, let's get one. I wish that I could have asked for this to be cut in half, but still, I chop it up later in another video. And also the sugar was here for 79 cents, absolute bargain. Wednesday morning is here and I had Zumba again. And again, same class back from holidays, so it was so good to see everyone. A couple of new ladies came as well. Word of mouth is doing really well. And then I'm just playing around with a couple of steps. I won't be this energetic with my people, but here's a little sneak peek of some of the music I was attempting to do. It's a new K-pop song. So 7 seconds is all you get, hopefully trying to avoid the copyright strikes. I will link the music video down below. It's by two boys from my favourite K-pop band, Monster X. And yeah, as I said, I'm just mucking around with some of the beats because I love the song. It's so addictive. Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. Oh my gosh, every car. Happy Wednesday. Oh my gosh, is it the weekend yet? So I've just finished teaching my third class for the week. No, fourth. So Monday night, Tuesday night, and today. Oh my gosh, I'm going to sleep well tonight. Luckily, Wednesday afternoons, or today at least. Oh, no. I need coffee. I don't have anything on, except I'm still trying to clean out that freezer. Oh my God. It's a nightmare, because everything is bit by bit by bit, because I'm trying to be systematic. It's like on the weekend, I was pushing through the last load of laundry so I could get the laundry video up for you guys. And to me, I had a whole story that I was trying to tell with the way that I was taking it through. But when I just had all the raw footage there, it was an hour and 20 minutes. And I was like, oh my gosh, no. Even though some people say they love a long vlog because they can clean along with me. So I was like, that'd be good. And then I didn't know whether to release the footage as a raw footage, as like the hour and a half type thing, and then go, for those who want to clean along with me, here's a long one, but for those that want the compact video, here it is down the bottom. Would people watch too? Like, you know, because I like to sit and watch people clean. I don't get up and clean with it, but I know that people like to clean with me. So and so it's funny, I'm so concerned about trying to put a story together that you see me picking up the laundry, putting it in the machine, then hanging out stuff, then getting that out the machine, and then moving that through and packing stuff away, and just, I'm sure no one cares, but you know, in my mind it all makes sense. Yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out where I'm at with everything. Oh my gosh, last night I had a dream that Avon was coming back to Australia, and I woke up like, let's make that happen. I would join Avon in a heartbeat if it came back here again. I really would. And every now and again I have a dream that they're making an announcement that it's coming back, and I'm like, I'll be the first one signed up. Thank you very much. And I know that half my team would come back as well, because Avon was just made sense. It was awesome. We loved it. We miss it so much. And I'm now officially retired from direct selling. Unless Avon pops up again, then I'll be on it. And then I wondered, how would that work with the channel? Like, my brain started ticking over already. I would still keep this channel, but there might be less content. But at the moment, I'm putting all my energy into this because I'm loving pumping out all the content that I have, because also it is keeping me motivated. Someone asked me the other day, does doing all this stuff keep me on task? It keeps me motivated to do some things, but it's also harder because I have to move a camera or set it up or do this or do that. And when I'm trying to do a story like the laundry thing, as I said, to me in my head, it's, we need to tell this story. It's the same with cleaning out the fridge and the freezer. I want you to systematically see how it's like cleaned out. And yeah, because it's a working fridge and freezer, there's stuff moving in and out all the time. So I'll open the freezer and suddenly there's 3 extra containers in there that weren't there the other day. Or there's suddenly a hole because we've moved something out. And so it's like, oh, it's just a bit of a nightmare. So I know that no one cares. Ultimately, they just want the before and after. It's all good.
But yeah, it's crazy. I need to film some more TikToks today. I've been batch filming content, so film 4 or 5, and then I've got them there ready to go, because the YouTube shorts here are popping off. And what I think I do as well is I'll put all the little shorts into a video, because a lot of people say they don't see the shorts that I do pop up. If you look up on the tab, it's got like home videos, and it will have shorts and playlists. If you click on shorts, all the shorts are there. I do a lot of comedy skits because I just find that they hit really well. Me doing videos like, here's how to save money as a short doesn't really do much, but the comedy skits hit, and a lot of people are here from those skits. So thank you so much. I think I am funny in some things not so much funny, and some TikToks I'll do and they'll take me ages, and then I'll go so it can take a while to film stuff. And then there's other admin-y things that I have to do today. It's forever going, and got to sort out my son's NDIS. The wraparound is coming up again. Kind of comes every 2 years now. It's just I need a personal assistant if you need one. Oh, and I need to find a new gardener, because our gardener quit us. He apparently has taken part of a corporate job. So I think that he's just doing weekend only clients where he lives, because we're quite a distance from him. And he contacted me like the week of he was meant to come and said, I'm really sorry, but I'm not servicing your area anymore. And I was like, oh my gosh. So my garden, it's a whole jungle. I can see it from here. So yeah, we need to deal with that. Oh my gosh, I could mow it, and that could be a video in itself. That could be hilarious. I'd be like, hi, join with me till I nearly kill myself. And then I'd get hubby to help mow the lawn, but he wouldn't want to be filmed, so it would be this massive before and after again. All right, let's go inside and do all the things, and yeah, we'll see you soon.
Thursday is here. Wednesday I just got carried away doing other things and a lot of editing I've been doing lately to get some videos up and running, as I know that you guys say that you appreciate so much. So we would have had Zumba, we'd have had bingo, we did some food shopping with my mum, and then that was pretty much the day gone. And I always run out of time to jump on and go, hey, it's Thursday, this what happened today, but I don't always have an update, so I don't always jump on and say anything at all. And then Friday is here, and I would have taught Zumba in the morning, and I'm not going to bingo today because the class before me was running late, which meant I would have been running late. And also I really wanted to work on the video that I did about how we're frugal in the home, so I wanted to clean the kitchen, so then that's ready for the weekend for the videos I'm doing. And then also spend the time with these clips here, just a bit of a sneaky peek, recording that this is how we really are frugal in the house. And the freezer is still not any more emptied than what my plan totally was. However, doing this, I realized that I really want to get hyper fixated back on the garden, because I have a plan. I've always got a plan, and I really feel like I could get it done if I put all my motivation and energy into it. So it is now Saturday. I've taught Zumba first thing in the morning. In the afternoon I headed to Bunnings with hubby, which you would have already seen the garden update video, but I've just put a bit of footage in here for those of you who haven't seen it. And I will be filming every time I'm out there and regularly updating you all, because I'm sort of a woman on a mission to get this thing done, because I know once I get the majority of it done, then it will be just maintenance. It won't be full on energy that's there. I'm going to do a come shop with me video for Bunnings as well, so I kind of filmed all day so I can create 2 or 3 different videos for you guys. So there's always method in my madness. Just sometimes it's more madness than method. But look at my pretty flowers. I'm so impressed with myself, sorry to say, but yeah. It is the little things that entertain me. And also I didn't put too much footage of what happened elsewhere on the weekend, because I'm going to do a separate homemaking video, because I've had a lot of people tell me recently that they're really enjoying those videos, and it is just a different feel than a vlog. I feel like it's a lot more calmer, and it's a bit more like we're spending the day in the kitchen or we're outside in the garden, and it just flows a little bit better. I feel like a vlog is just a more overview, and also gives me the opportunity, as I said, to film all day and then to be able to share with you guys additional videos and fill in the gaps, so to speak. Sunday is here, rounding out the week, and it did rain all day. It was such a beautiful, cold and miserable day to be inside, but I came outside to see my flowers because I so wanted to see how well they did. Of course, we're doing some baking today. We had a roast for dinner. You'll see that coming up in a meal video. And I cleaned the kitchen and just did all the little things in here that I like to do, because I do like being in the kitchen baking. Cooking, not so much, but baking, yes. And I finally put away all of the little stockpile things that were here. Is it organized? No. But is it out of the way? Yes. I needed the space. And so when I do the pantry clean out, then it's going to look really good, because it will be a complete disaster. But that's what it is. So yes, did some baking, and then of course we put on a movie. I've got some new headphones, wireless ones hubby got for me, so now I can listen to my movie in peace, bake to my heart's content, get dinner ready, and no one can hear my movie. I also can't hear anyone else that's speaking to me, and I've had a few people walk up right behind me, and I've lost one of my 9 lives, I'm sure. And here is some honey oat cookies. I'll be sharing the recipe with you guys. And here is my disaster of a kitchen from all the baking and the cooking. So of course, Sunday night I did a bit of a quick clean to tidy everything up to get it fresh ready for Monday, because we have a full-on week happening next week. Thank you so much for joining with me, guys. I so appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.